Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very important topic for pet owners, the dog in heat. If you have a dog at home, it is essential to understand what happens during this period and how you can provide the best care. So, grab your leash and let's go. What is heat? First, let's clear up a common question. Do dogs menstruate? Well, what many people call canine menstruation is actually heat, also known as the estrus cycle. This is the fertile period in the dog's reproductive cycle and is very different from the human menstrual cycle. Factors that influence the onset of heat: breed and size. Smaller breeds tend to go into heat earlier, around 6 to 7 months, while larger breeds may go into heat later, between 10 and 14 months. Genetics. The onset of heat can also be influenced by the dog's genetics. Some breeders report heat patterns in specific breeds. Health conditions. Health issues, such as hormonal imbalances, can affect the timing of a female dog's first heat. Signs of preparation for the first heat. Before the first heat, the bitch may show signs of preparation, such as swelling of the vulva and changes in behavior, indicating that the beginning of the estrus cycle is approaching. Importance of preparation. It is essential that owners are aware of the first signs of heat so that they can provide adequate care and take the necessary measures to avoid unwanted pregnancies if they have no intention of breeding the bitch. The onset of heat is an important milestone in a dog's reproductive life, and understanding when to expect this event can help owners care for their animals effectively. Signs that your dog is in heat: swelling of the vulva and bleeding. Swelling of the vulva and bleeding are visible physical signs indicative of the onset of heat. Agitation and nervousness. During heat, female dogs can become more agitated and nervous than normal. They may exhibit restless behavior and show signs of discomfort. Excessive vocalization. Some female dogs may increase their vocalization during heat, expressing themselves more through barking or moaning. This is common due to the hormonal changes that occur during this period. Behavioral changes. Behavioral changes are common during heat. The dog may become more affectionate and seek more attention, or on the contrary, become more distant and irritable. Changes in appetite. Some dogs in heat may have changes in appetite and may eat more or less than usual. These changes are influenced by hormonal variations that occur during the estrus cycle. It is important that owners are aware of these signs and understand the different manifestations that can occur when dogs are in heat in order to guarantee the animal's well-being and health during this delicate period of its reproductive cycle. Care during heat. Safe environment. During heat, it is important to keep the female dog in a safe environment, away from unneutered males, unless reproduction is desired and controlled. This prevents unwanted pregnancies and possible accidents. Proper hygiene. Maintaining the dog's hygiene during heat is essential. Using absorbent diapers made specifically for female dogs in heat can help keep the area clean and reduce the mess caused by bleeding. Proper restraint. In some cases, it may be necessary to restrict the dog's walks during heat to avoid unwanted encounters with males. Short, supervised walks may be necessary. Health monitoring. During heat, it is important to monitor the dog's health closely. Keep an eye out for any signs of discomfort, changes in appetite or abnormal behavior, and consult a veterinarian if necessary. Attention and affection. During this period, the dog may become more sensitive and require more attention and affection. Be there to comfort her and provide a peaceful environment. Veterinary consultation. If there are concerns or if the dog is exhibiting unusual symptoms during heat, it is recommended that you consult a veterinarian for additional guidance and care. By adopting these precautions during the dog's heat, owners can ensure that the animal goes through this period in a safe, comfortable, and healthy way. Castration. Castration procedure. Castration involves the surgical removal of the dog's ovaries and, in some cases, the uterus. This procedure is usually performed by a veterinarian under anesthesia. Prevention of unwanted pregnancies. After the first heat, if the owner does not plan for the dog to have puppies, neutering is a safe and effective option to prevent unwanted pregnancies. Health benefits. In addition to preventing pregnancy, castration can bring benefits to the dog's health, such as reducing the risk of reproductive diseases, including pyometra, uterine infection, mammary tumors, and ovarian diseases. Behavioral control. Castration can also influence the dog's behavior, reducing aggression, marking territory, and the desire to run away in search of males during heat. Recommended age. The recommended age for neutering varies, but many veterinarians suggest that the procedure be performed after the first heat, before the second heat. Consult a veterinarian. Before deciding to neuter your dog, it is important to consult a veterinarian to discuss the benefits, risks, and the ideal time for the procedure, taking into account the health and well-being of the animal. Neutering is an option to be considered by owners who do not plan to breed their female dogs and are seeking long-term health and behavioral benefits for the animal. And that's where we come in. Our channel is here to be the support you need, full of tips and care to ensure your pet's well-being. If you are enjoying the content of the video, don't forget to leave a like. It's very important for the channel. And if you're not already subscribed, sign up now and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned for all the amazing videos we post weekly. Additionally, consider becoming a member of the channel to access exclusive benefits and further support our work. Share with friends, family, pet lovers, and non-pet lovers. There is, and watch these 2 videos that will appear on the screen. They were produced with lots of love and care. Until the next video.